Hello friends, I am Prashant. You are watching Education Stuff YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing the third article which is published in the editorial. Today is 3rd June 2020. This particular article which focuses upon the narrative measures to be taken for COVID-19 control. This also focuses and relates how HIV is controlled, and this also can be done for novel coronavirus. India had warnings about COVID-19 epidemic in China spreading to neighboring countries well ahead of virus importations, yet the nation flattered. In epidemics, as in a war, underestimating the enemy is a costly mistake. A strategy planning is a dynamic with the revisions as the ground reality changes. What is appropriate in the beginning may have become redundant in the midway. Eisenhower once said, "In preparing for a battle, I have always found the plans are useless, but planning is indispensable." India's early strategy, that is a tradition of pandemic control, prevent coronavirus importations from China and neighboring countries and interrupt importation-related local spread, succeeded, but importations from the West and West Asian countries before they were red flagged seeded local outbreaks in several places. As transmission is through social contact, social distancing in its extreme form was declared early abruptly from March 24th midnight. Indigenous wisdom, Indian experts are skillful of maintaining, imbibe, distill and translate information into practical, socio-culturally appropriate action plans. When HIV importations and local spread were detected, Indian experts studied the situations and, rejecting advice from World Health Organization for only syndromic diagnosis of AIDS, devised multi-pronged intervention, social vaccine including hospital infection control and innovative laboratory testing tactic called senatorial surveillance. For safe blood transfusion, lab testing was mandatory. Sensitivity and specific of HIV labs tests were nearly 100%. For COVID-19, polymerase chain reaction, that is PCR tests, were necessary to detect importations from contact screening. For disease diagnosis by physicians, clinical criteria are adequate. Epidemics were asynchronous in different states. The simplest way to monitor epidemic growth was a criteria-based clinical diagnosis and confirmation by PCR when deemed necessary. By 18 May, testing covered only 0.17% of India's population, detecting almost 1 lakh infections. We cannot use such data to assess the magnitude of epidemic. Openly admitting community transmission of HIV was signal for the public to change behavior and take precautions. Social vaccine included public education and social mobilization. Its legacy is red ribbon clubs in schools and colleges. COVID-19 community spread was denied for long too. Promoting epidemic expansion and death, particularly among healthcare personnel, early warnings and public education would have slowed the epidemic and saved lives. Everyone needed behavior modification to protect themselves when physical closeness in clinics and crowds. There's a different comparison between lockdown versus mask wearing. Jain Munis, realizing that there are organisms in aerosol and droplets, wear masks to avoid inhaling them. A unique preventive measure born out of ancient wisdom. Hong Kong and Taiwan demonstrated the value of universal mask wearing to mitigate the current pandemic. With our mindset, big solutions for big problems, masks were a simple solution if practiced by every human, every man, woman and child when out of home. It is twice superior to lockdown. It flattens the epidemic curve better than the leaky lockdowns, or preserves socio-economic basis which a lockdown destroys. Let us look at another simple solution. Oral rehydration for cholera, developed by H.N. Chatterjee in 1957, was accepted by medical professors and administrators only decades later. Wise clinicians make presumptive clinical diagnosis of infectious diseases performed by epidemiologist setting the patient history, patient findings, simple laboratory tests and initiative treatments. Laboratory tests and used to confirm clinical diagnosis, identity, causative organisms in only about 50 to 60% of cases in many instances. Specific epidemiologic and clinical criteria and basic blood tests provide a clinical diagnosis for COVID-19. A risk identification. What we need to flatten is to step mortality curve. Who are those at the risky high mortality? Those over 60 years and those with diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, chronic respiratory disease and obesity. Themed cocooning the elderly and the vulnerable. Countries with the elderly living in the institutions have witnessed a veritable disaster. Large numbers succumbed unprotected by cocooning. Hospitals were overwhelmed. Social vaccine stimulates the society's protective knowledge and practices countering major health threats. Social mobilization, public education for attitude and behavioral change to overcome social determinants of microbial transmission. When children and adults realize that the mask wearing is to protect their family, none will refuse to wear one. If it is only to obey the orders, many flout, even feel good flouting. A practical platform. The COVID-19 committee as a practical platform in every district with a representative from civil administration, health management professionals, industry, businesses, educational institutions, major non-governmental organizations, voluntary organizations such as Rotary and Lions Club can identify facilitators and deterrents of preventive processes and practices and evolve locally relevant solutions for COVID-19. We have a unique opportunity to script a new narrative to win the present struggle and perpetuate its legacy with all our will and wisdom. This is regarding the COVID-19 narrative control of COVID-19 pandemic situation. If social vaccine is the legacy of HIV control, the novel coronavirus can control ought to be more far-reaching by all our wisdom and willpower. This is the end of the third article discussion of Hindu newspaper, and I thank you for joining me in this discussion. If you are first to my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit a bell icon so that you can receive all the latest notification updates. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.